Hello everyone, Annette Galancher here with a card process video. I show you a unique and fun way to use the new awesome pops of color medium from Scrapbook.com. This medium is so bright and smooth, it has an airy feel to it. It dries hard, not sticky at all, and it doesn't flatten after drying. It stays bright and shiny. I already made a card off camera. I applied the pops of color with a plastic spatula. I let it dry for a couple of hours, and the end result is beyond gorgeous. I am showing you now how I applied the pops of color medium on another card with a new design idea. I cut my paper using the slim buffalo check die from Scrapbook.com, and I applied the pops of color with a spatula in a small heart form. I squish a little on the very end of the spatula and then simply spread it on the paper. Don't push it hard, just touch the paper with it like a little light kiss and move your hand a little to spread it a tiny bit. Then squish a bit on a spatula again and kiss it to the paper, as would Vicky Wooden say, so it creates a little heart-shaped form. See? It is really easy. You can always practice a little on a scrap of paper, as I did of course, and your hand will use to this little light movement and you can create beautiful little hearts on your cards. These colors are so gorgeous, they are bright and they have a beautiful shine to them. This bright color and the shine doesn't fade at all when it gets dry, it stays exactly the same form and color. You can create other forms and designs using a spatula or a stencil, only your imagination is the limit. I just love the smooth texture it creates on the paper, it is so lovely. Now I put it aside and I let it dry for some hours. How beautiful this is, wow! And these are my finished cards. I think they are really gorgeous and it was such a fun process creating them. I hope you like them too and give a try to this new technique. You can find the used supplies in the description below. I'm happy to answer your questions too if you have any. Have fun with the new pops of color, guys. Bye bye!